Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic table tag in HTML. So now we will discuss about the syntax of table in HTML. So first of all we will write the tag, that is table, and we will close the tag here. In between this we will write tr and tr close. In between this we will write th, that is table heading. Suppose I need two headings. So in this heading I need serial number, and we will close a th. In this name and close a th. Suppose in this we have taken two rows and the name, that is first heading is serial number, second heading is name. So after that we will take again tr, close the tr tag. In between this we will take td, that is table data, which will store in this lines. Suppose my first heading was serial number, I need one here and I will close the td tag. Second will be td Rupali and the td tag closed. So here will be serial number 1, here will be Rupali. So this is our table. So if we need our border over here, we will write border is equals to double quotes 1 pixel, tag closed. So the border will be here along our table. So we can increase the size of our border after writing 1 pixel, 2 pixel or any other. The border will be broader like this and this. So first of all we will open our Sublime. And now we will save the file. So example, I have saved my file as table.html. So now I will write the coding. So in between this, I will write the table tag and the table tag closed. Now tr, that is table row. In between that I will write th, that is table heading. So in table heading I will give the heading of the table, that is serial number. So suppose I need two headings or more than that, so I will copy paste the tags and I will change the heading name. So now we will change the heading over there. So save the file. Go to your browser, that is Google Chrome. So you can see the heading over here. These headings are displayed there. So I need a border so that the border will classify the size of my data. So suppose I have taken 1 pixel, refresh the file, you can see the border above the table. So now I will take again a tr. In between that I will take td, that is table data. In table data I will store some data.
so that it could print accordingly. So save the file. You can see the border also and the data displayed also. So I will increase my data, which will be systematically entered in a row according to my heading. Suppose I have taken Rupali here. You refresh the file and you can see the name Rupali written here. So now I will increase my data according to my need. So refresh the file, you can see the data that has been entering in the rows accordingly. So address also been printed, and now the next data. That is email. And this is mobile. And we'll save the file. Go to the browser, refresh your page, and you can see the data has been entered according to the rows and the headings. So in this we can make changes. Like if modified my phone number. Save the file. Go to the browser, refresh the page, and see the data has been modified here. So now we will take another data according to the TR, that is table row. We will change the serial number here accordingly. So save the file, go to the browser, refresh your page, and you can see the rows that are being defined as a table data. Heading is different, table data is different. So now we can design our table.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.